Hi everyone, welcome back to my creative product review channel. Today I'm showing you the top 5 hoverboard I've selected to help you find the best one for your needs. All the links are in the description if you'd like to check them out and make a purchase. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Hover One i200 Hoverboard Black is a great entry-level option for casual riders. With 6.5-inch wheels and up to a 7-mile range, it's ideal for short commutes or fun rides. It features LED lights and built-in Bluetooth speakers for an enjoyable riding experience. The self-balancing system makes it beginner-friendly, and it supports up to 160 pounds. However, it's not water-resistant, so avoid wet surfaces. Overall, it's a solid, budget-friendly choice for teens and light adult use. Number 2. The Hover One Astro Hoverboard offers a fun and stylish riding experience. It features built-in Bluetooth speakers and vibrant LED lights that make every ride more exciting. With a range of up to 7 miles and a top speed of 7 miles per hour, it's great for kids and beginners. The self-balancing system makes it easy to ride. Charging time is a bit long, but performance is solid overall. The pink colour is eye-catching and especially popular with girls. A great budget-friendly option. Number 3. The 6.5-inch self-balancing all-terrain hoverboard is a fun and durable ride for kids. Its rugged wheels handle both smooth and rough surfaces with ease. Bright LED lights and built-in Bluetooth speakers add extra fun during rides. The self-balancing technology makes it easy to learn and safe for beginners. Battery life is decent, and it performs well both indoors and outdoors. It's a great gift option for kids who love adventure and tech. Number 4. The Hover One Ranger Pro Hoverboard Black is a sleek and reliable ride, perfect for both beginners and casual riders. It features bright LED wheels, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, and a sturdy frame for added safety. The self-balancing system ensures smooth control, while its top speed and battery life make it ideal for short commutes or fun rides around the neighborhood. Easy to charge and fun to ride, it's a solid choice for kids and teens alike. Number 5. The Gyro Warrior 8.5-inch off-road hoverboard is built for tough terrain and adventure. With dual 350-watt motors, it delivers strong performance and speeds up to 10 miles per hour. The rugged 8.5-inch wheels handle grass, gravel, and uneven paths easily. It features bright LED lights for visibility and a Bluetooth speaker for music on the go. The self-balancing design makes it safe and easy to ride. Durable, powerful, and fun. Great for both kids and adults who love outdoor excitement. That's it for today. All the product links are in the description below. If you found the perfect bike, feel free to grab it through those links. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.